continued the tradition of sending a ceremonial chadar to Ajmer Dargah Sharif. Now, the Prime Minister handed the chadar that will be offered on his behalf at the Ajmer Dargah, and the offering has been handed over to Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who will make the offering at the Dargah at 11 a.m. today is what we are learning. Now, this is a tradition that Prime Minister has been following since 2014, and this is in fact the 11th year of the Prime Minister participating in this tradition. The Union Minister called this gesture that reflects the Prime Minister's deep respect for India's rich spiritual heritage and enduring message of harmony and compassion. Now, Urs is held annually at the shrine of Sufi saint to commemorate his death anniversary. And ahead of the visit to Ajmer Dargah to offer the chadar, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju also visited Nizamuddin Aulia Dargah yesterday to offer the prayers. Now, he was accompanied by National President of BJP Minority Morcha, Jamal Siddiqui, to offer the chadar at Dargah. Have a look.
प्रधानमंत्री जी की चादर का हम लोग खैर मकदम करते हैं और ये हिंदुस्तान की एक परंपरा रही है कि जब से भारत आज़ाद हुआ है 1947 के बाद से जो भी प्रधानमंत्री हुए हैं उन्होंने गरीब नवाज के दरबार में अकीदत के तौर पे अपनी चादर को भेजा है। और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी जब से प्रधानमंत्री हुए 2014 से चादर भेज रहे हैं, यहाँ पर उस परिपाटी को, उस परंपरा को निभा रहे हैं। और हमारे मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान की परंपरा के साथ साथ हिंदुस्तान की जो संस्कृति सभ्यता है उसको भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की संस्कृति सभ्यता ये कहती है कि सबका, हर मजहब का सम्मान होना चाहिए।
But now a petition has been filed in a court against a traditional offering. Hindu Sena has filed an application before the court in Ajmer seeking a temporary injunction to prevent the offering of chadar at Dargah by the Prime Minister. The plea argues that the centre, by sending a chadar to the disputed site while a suit is still pending in the court, undermines the judicial independence and right for fair hearing. Have a look.
प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा जो चादर भेजी जा रही है उस चादर पर तत्काल रोक लगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे हमारे हित प्रभावित हो रहे हैं और इससे मेरे केस को नुकसान पहुंचेगा। ऐसी मांग को लेके अदालत में हमने अर्जी दाखिल की और मैं मानता हूं माननीय अदालत से हमने गुजारिश की है कि उस चादर पर स्टे लगेगा, स्टे आएगा, क्योंकि वो चादर से हमारा हित प्रभावित हो रहा है। क्योंकि जो प्रधानमंत्री हैं वो प्रधानमंत्री सबके होते हैं, सरकार की ओर से ही चादर आ रही है, तो मुझे न्याय कौन देगा? मुझे तो न्याय कोर्ट और न्याय व्यवस्था पे मुझे पूरा भरोसा है। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि जब तक कि ये केस जिला न्यायालय में चल रहा है, अदालत में चल रहा है, तब तक के लिए चादर पर रोक लगनी चाहिए।
Well, my colleague Sabyasachi continues to be live with us. Sabyasachi, today Union Minister Kiren Rijiju will be offering this chadar on behalf of the Prime Minister, taking forward the message of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, but definitely an objection to this also coming from Hindu Sena.
Well, that's right. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his several speech, has emphasized on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Prayas. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether it is visiting the church during the Christmas time and this time around, the tradition that he has been following since 2014 of sending a chadar to Ajmer Dargah. Now, this tradition this year also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has followed, and Union Minister Mr. Kiren Rijiju will be offering the chadar on behalf of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, on the other hand, the Hindu Sena organization has filed a petition at the Ajmer court seeking a stop on the offering of the chadar. Now, the Hindu Sena alleges that this particular site is disputed and the case is going on in court. So that is the reason why the offering of the chadar should be stopped, because it sends a wrong message to the people of the country. Meanwhile, the BJP government have been emphasizing that for the growth of the country, it is very much important for all the communities across the country to come together, and whether it is during the Christmas time or whether the other occasion, we had seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasizing on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Prayas.
Well, absolutely. And today this chadar will be offered by Union Minister Kiren Rijiju on the behalf of the Prime Minister at 11 o'clock, and we'll keep you updated on that. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for all the details.